Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your outfits for later. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to save your outfit, you need to go to the dressing room here. Okay, I'm going to enter the dressing room. Okay, and then we can click on this icon, and then this is the outfit I have saved. And if you want to save new outfit, you can click on this plus icon, and then you can name your outfit. For example, I'm going to name it Very, and then we can click on save. Okay, and my Very outfit has been saved. And if I want to use it, we just need to go back to the dressing room, and then we will be able to wear the outfit according to the theme. So it will be very useful if we want to save our time in Dress to Impress. Okay, I'm going to try my swan lake outfit. Okay, I'm going to click on wear. Okay, and this is my swan lake outfit. And I'm going to try to apply the Very outfit. Okay, wear. Okay, if the theme is Very, you will be able to use it, and of course it will save your time. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save outfit and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.